Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Over the last week or so, I've done quite a few videos on making this vent cover. And then somebody asked me this morning if they could do it with rectangles or squares, and I actually made a video for that, but I've been playing around with it a little bit at night, and I was getting some leakage when I would do some of this stuff, so I've eliminated the leakage, I've eliminated double lines, and so if you'll just kind of bear with me and watch these steps. So if you don't know how to create that shape or any shape like that, watch the other videos. But I'm just going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in. I'm using yellow for the video. I'm actually going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to start over and not have my nudge distance quite so far. Let's make it 2 inches. Take my nudge and move it over twice. I am going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to contour it to the inside 0.05. Then I'm going to go object, break, contour apart. Now I want the outside one, and I'm going to put it into my shape. And it doesn't matter where the shape is and what you decide and what angle you want. We're going to put it about right there. And then I'm going to grab all of this. I actually need to move these out of the way so I can get to it better. We'll put these way over here. Zoom back in. And now I can select the whole shape and use my intersect tool. There's my intersection. But you see my inner contour is going to help me from having leakage. I was having leakage before. We'll just fill in a few lines to see if I can't get it to leak, and probably see there's a leak right there. So it eliminates the leak, and it also helps me eliminate double line. I've got an interior line now, and I'm going to just click on every other one. I'm using yellow for the video. It doesn't matter what color you use, but I'm just doing every other line. And then take your outer shape. You can actually take your line out of the way, select it all, left click, right click. This is going to get rid of your double lines. Put it right back. Now we're going to do the middle shape. We do not need this shape anymore, so we're just going to delete it. We're going to use the Smart Fill tool to do the middle one. This time we'll move the box and we'll rotate this 22.5 degrees. Just give it a different look. But before we do that, we want to do our contour trick. So we're going to nudge it out of the way, maybe twice. Left click, right click, and since you've got the contour open, all you have to do is click it once. Go up to object, or you can Control K. We want to get the outer one. And we're going to intersection tool. Move it over. Do the same thing we did before. Smart Fill tool. I wish I could figure out how to turn that off. Anyway, I'm going to do every other line. Sorry about that. That doesn't happen all the time, but it happens a lot. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to left click, right click, and nudge those right back. Now to save time on the video, I'm not going to do this one. But you see, if I'm going to do it. I'm just going to, well, it doesn't say that much time. Let's go ahead and do it. Fill that in. Left click, right click, apply the contour, Control K, break the contour apart. That's what happens when you have this Smart Fill tool picked. Grab the outer one, and we don't want to move anything because we want a bit of nudge it back. So we can move our square, and let's Let's turn it to 0. And let's get rid of this other one. And let's blend this or intersect it and move it over. And see, by using the nudge distance, it makes life easy. Might be a cool design after all. I wouldn't do the minute little parts. Grab the object, move it out of the way, grab our line, move it out of the way. Left click, right click, and I do have an excess of line there. I don't know, must have a little bit of a yellow there. And then just nudge this back twice. And that one line I probably should have put in there because it's really missing. But then you can get rid of this line by taking your virtual segment delete key. And voila, there's your new screen. Let's make it black. Maybe not my favorite, but you could play around with it. And then when you left click, right click it, and make sure it's a hairline, that would cut out, and it's got your border, and it's got your vents, and you can do a lot with this. I think I'm through with this series. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.